but thank you anyway. Okay, I'm going to design. So in case that you are going to have multiple teeth, you can hold the shift and click at the last teeth, or you can, in case that you have several teeth with the same properties, you can hold the control and point on each teeth and click on each teeth. When you're using shift, every tooth in the region between the first tooth you choose and the last tooth will be selected, but in case that you use control, you will select just the one that you are clicking on it. Oh my gosh, I use it twice. So I close one of it, okay. And the bridge Exocad model, upper, I use upper, lower, I use lower, okay. It asks me to put model like this, I will. The 2.6, as I showed you in the last video, there in case that you didn't ditch this, you can't have the good results with artificial intelligence of software. In this case, you should show the margins point by point, and it shouldn't be left by software choice. Okay, perfect. And now the 2.14. Till now I didn't see any big difference with the 3.0. We have this, but we have this in expert. And we could have margin a little bit higher or lower, okay. And we could have magnetic or free, or we could use detect. And there is adjust light that it shows you undercut like this, and it will help you not to get trapped in the undercuts. So far so good, but there is some change in margin detection, and as I told you, I prefer to have the third area of gap, especially in the places with sharp edges. As you can see, I have 3 different zones. One is the zone beside the margin, that is no cement gap, but we have additional of 0.2. So it means that we have a 0.2 gap, 20 microns, because of cement. In case that you don't have cement, you can put it on 0, but in case that you want to use cement, it's better to be realistic and put the proper number. And as you can see here, we have 0.8, but here we have